Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited today. It's really been a while. I'm so sorry, my hands really full and I didn't really have time to make videos, but guys, guess what? I am back. Today I'm going to be reviewing a product, my favorite product. This is from Keababies. Keababies comfy nursing pads with coffee curtains. Yeah, so it's really comfortable and it's organic. That's the most amazing thing about this breast pad is organic, so there's definitely not going to be any reaction to it, and it does the job. So this is how the pads come. See, so comfortable. Yeah, and it can last you all day long. So whenever I use this, it takes me the whole day, especially when you are still nursing and you're back to work. This actually takes me the whole day. Look at it. See, it feels so soft and comfortable. Look at it. Yeah, and it comes in different colors. We have 7 pairs in the bag, and when you want to wash this is really amazing product. When you want to wash it, you just put everything in here. You bag them all in here. So there's a bag for you to like a pouch for you to put them all in. And especially if you are a working class mother, so it's already available for you for the whole week, for the 7 days in a week. Yes, so this is how I use it. I just want to demonstrate how I use the breast pad. So this part, the part that feels okay, let me use the colored one so that you can see it well. So the part that looks somehow like towel, yeah, the towel part. So the towel part, you place it in here like this. So this is your breastfeeding bra. So you place it in there. Then this part, the colored part, that's where that will face your breast and to the nipple, so you can see it. I don't know if you can see it. So look how it's really fitting inside the bra, you see. So you should know that you are safe, and everything is in line for you for the whole day. No leakage. Yeah, this is what I use all day while at work. I am rest assured that there won't be any leakage, even when my babies maybe want some milk, and you know, sometimes they just cry and they need that mom's attention. So this will save you from leakage and from embarrassment. So guys, check out their website. Keababies have amazing products, down to postpartum belt, to the nursing. Just check out their website. I'll put the link in the description box. So if you're looking for the best and the most comfortable nursing pads, check out Keababies. Keababies does amazing in any mom's product. So check out their website and buy your products, and they're doing amazing offers. There's sales going on their website. Check out on their website, and you will thank me later for this. So thank you for watching. See you. Bye.